For today's breakfast, let's make a tomato dosa like this. Don't waste time, let's move on to the video. Josh Moses Kitchen. Let's make this tomato dosa together. We can make a medium size 11 dosas with this recipe. We need 3/4 cup of rice, half cup of urd dal, wash 2 times and soak for 2 hours. Onto a blender, we need 3 tomatoes chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, 15 pieces of dry red chilies, and the soaked lentils. Salt 1 teaspoon. Everything onto a blender, blend it to a fine paste. Transfer to a bowl and let it rest for just 1 hour. Give a quick mix, it will be a very thick batter. Add half cup of water to it. Onto a dosa batter consistency. Onto a hot skillet, pour the batter and spread it to a thin dosa or crepes. Allow to roast for 2 minutes. Drizzle some oil on the top so it will be crispy. Using a spatula, spread it all over. Remove the dosa from the edges and flip it and cook for 30 seconds. Flip it back and fold it. You will get a vibrant tomato dosa. Enjoy with onion chutney. The recipe is there on my channel. The tomato dosa, it's so good. Just enjoy and eat. Beautiful. I'm trying today with the onion chutney. If you like the recipe, it's there in my channel. Okay, see you. Bye.